Hey everyone, Amazon just dropped a game-changing update to Seller Central, introducing the next-gen selling dashboard. If you are tired of the old dashboards, messy navigation, clunky design, and constant clicking, this new feature is here to change the game. Let me show you everything that's new, what's working, and how you can use it to save time and grow your business. So this is the whole dashboard of new gen selling. Amazon basically has reimagined how we manage our business. If you are an Amazon seller, you know how much time we spend in Seller Central, the old dashboard. Functional, but let's be honest here, it wasn't exactly smooth or intuitive. But with the next gen selling dashboard, Amazon has reimagined how we manage our business, better KPIs, easier navigation, and custom views. So let's dive in together to explore the features one by one so you can make the most of it. You will now notice clickable KPIs on your dashboard. These are not just static numbers anymore. You can click into each KPIs, either it is products, inventory, orders, and many more, and instantly get deeper insights from the dashboard. No more endless scrolling through menus to find the data you need. It's all right there in front of you. So, second, let's talk about one of my most favorite feature, the drag and drop dashboard. This lets you customize your whole home page. So here you can see in the custom dashboard, you can select any of the widget. You can choose any of the widgets and drag and drop simply dash that widget into your dashboard. Want conversion rate charts for the past year or a quick snapshot of PPC performance? Simply drag and drop those widgets directly onto your dashboard. You are now in control. Now instead of shifting through tabs, you have a dashboard that works for you. Third, the most important thing is Amazon has added dynamic data ranges. So no more manually typing start and end dates for reports. This makes trends tracking so much easier. Whether you are reviewing performance week over week or analyzing seasonal trends, you can easily select dynamic ranges from this new gen dashboard. And lastly, the new design. Amazon has packed everything into a very clean, compact layout that feels like a true command center. And then you will also see a clear navigation on all-in-one view of your data and tools right at your fingertips. It might take a little getting used to, but trust me, it's worth it. Alright, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this update. First, the pros I will talk about. More control you can have over the data. You will see custom widgets are a huge win. Clickable KPIs will save the time, like you will have many more KPIs here that you can add, and then dynamic data ranges, no more manual data entry. Finally, and of course, the cleaner layout makes navigation more faster. But definitely every update has a disadvantages as well. It's a bit of an adjustment at first. You will need time to get used to the new layout as compared to old dashboard. Some small bugs are still there, but Amazon will likely fix it soon. Overall, I would say it's a big step forward. Now, how you can utilize this new next gen selling dashboard? First, you have to log in into your Seller Central and you will see a notification for the next gen selling dashboard. Then you have to click on next gen selling dashboard and you will redirect to that page. And here you can click on different KPIs to explore more in further and see data in detail. And you can keep an eye on your inventory levels, performance index, orders, payments, customers, and many more. And you can also customize your dashboard from this page. You can select any of the widget that you would like to see on your dashboard on a daily basis and keep yourself updated about the trends. And you can also try different data ranges like last 7 days to compare the trends. From here you can see different data ranges, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 3 months, and that we were missing really into the business reports, because in the business report we only have option either week to date, month to date, year to date, and custom data ranges. While with new gen selling dashboard, you will have option to select many other options as well, like 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, and many more. You can play around with the new layout The more you use it, the faster you will adopt. Just you have to take your 10 minutes today to explore, and you will see just how powerful this update can be. So there you have it. Amazon's next gen selling dashboard is live now, and it is here to make your life easier. Whether you are a seasoned seller or just starting out, this update gives you the tools to track performance and make smarter decisions. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think of the update? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. What is your favorite feature and what would you like to see improved? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future update to Seller Central or Amazon tools. Thanks for watching and happy selling.